What if one city stood for over 1,000 years and then fell in just 53 days? In 1453, the world witnessed the end of an empire that had once ruled vast lands across Europe and beyond. This was the fall of Constantinople, the final chapter of the Byzantine or Eastern Roman Empire. For centuries, Constantinople had been one of the most powerful and well-defended cities in the world. Its massive walls had repelled countless invasions. Its location made it a gateway between Europe and Asia. It was rich, strategic, and nearly impossible to conquer. But in the 15th century, a new force was rising. A young Ottoman ruler, Mehmed II, just 21 years old, had a vision to capture Constantinople and turn it into the heart of his empire. Many believed it was impossible. Others had tried and failed. But Mehmed was different. He built one of the largest armies of his time. He prepared massive cannons, weapons so powerful they could shake the very walls of the city. And in April 1453, he began the siege. Inside the city, the defenders were outnumbered. Emperor Constantine XI Palaiologos led a small force, determined to protect the last remnants of his empire. Day after day, the Ottomans attacked. Cannons roared, walls trembled, and slowly the defense began to weaken. The people of Constantinople held on, hoping for reinforcements that never came. Weeks passed, supplies ran low, fear grew. Then came the final assault. On 29th May 1453, before sunrise, the Ottomans launched a massive attack. Waves of soldiers stormed the walls. After hours of brutal fighting, the defenses collapsed. The city had fallen. Emperor Constantine XI is said to have died fighting, refusing to surrender. With his death, the Roman Empire, which had lasted for nearly 1,500 years, finally came to an end. Constantinople was transformed. It became the new capital of the Ottoman Empire, later known as Istanbul. And the impact of this moment was felt across the world. Trade routes changed, empires shifted, and a new era began. One city, one siege, and the end of one of the greatest empires in history. But from its fall, a new power rose, stronger than ever before. If you enjoy powerful stories like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more cinematic history documentaries. And tell me in the comments what topic should I cover next.